Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Learnopedia. This video is regarding the admission in IISER Bhopal in PhD. So first you will have to go the IISER B official website, that is the IISER B. So when you click the IISER B official website, first you will have to go the DOA admission website. When you click the admission DOA, you will see here the link in which you will have to go the admission portal, where you can see the PhD admission applications are invited for admission to the PhD program for the semester commencing from January 25th. This is called the even semester of annual year 2024-25. And what are the streams? That is the natural science, in which this include biological science, chemistry, earth and environment science, physics. In the engineering stream, it contains chemical engineering, electrical engineering and computer science, data science and engineering. Also, humanities and social science stream provides the economic science, humanities and social science. The general criteria for the PhD admission, and it should be the master's degree or equivalent degree in engineering or technology, either bachelor's degree in engineering, master degree or equivalent degree in science, and master's or equivalent degree in arts, commerce or allied subject. So here this is, you have to qualify first, you have to qualify the CSIR UGC NET examination, or you have to qualify the GATE examination. Then you can apply for the PhD admission at IISER Bhopal. And the CGPA is also required. The minimum 60% or CGPA 7 out of 10 point scale is required for the admission. Also, a relaxation of 10% of marks or an equivalent relaxation of grade will be on B1 be allowed the candidates belonging to the SC/ST or PWD categories, and 5% to OBC non-creamy layer and the EWS category. So this is the age limit, preferably the not more than for the junior research fellowship, the age should not be exceeded 28 years, and for the OBC the age relaxation up to the 3 years, and for the SC/ST and female category it is about the 5 years of relaxation. So first we will have to go where to apply the PhD admission form. So when you scroll down and you have see here the departmental specification requirement and research areas. So here are various streams in which you can apply for the PhD admission. So when you, if you belongs to the biological science, then you can click it the biological science. I am here going only the chemical engineering or chemistry, because this channel is associated with the chemistry content. So you can, when if you are willing to do PhD in chemistry department, then you will have to click on this chemistry. Here you can see the various type of streams in which it contains inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, biological chemistry, theoretical and computational chemistry. So based on your interest or inherent properties of your own nature, you can apply, or you can apply for the PhD admission. So if you have done the master degree or honors course in inorganic, then you can apply for inorganic, organic or physical, such that. So this is the criteria, eligibility criteria you can read, and the last date of the applying this PhD form is 14th of October 2024. And if you have any query, you can email to the head of the department, Professor Bisal Rai, and the convener of DPGC, Professor Ashish Srivastav. Here is also other streams, so you can apply based on your the M.Sc you have done. So if we talk about the chemistry, click here. When you click here, you can see the second tab, in which you can see the admission for academic year 2024-25, and it is for the national and international student. So here you can also see the applicants should fill this form by 14th of October 2024. This is the click here for the detailed notification. This is the notification. And but if you want to apply more information, so you can also go there. But if you want to apply, then what you have to done, you have to click here apply now. So registration user login it is required, but if you are a new student or a new user, then you have to click here new user. First you have to fill out your name, first name, middle name, last name, email, email id, the current email id which you are continuously doing accessing. So this is the confirmation id, so that you can uh, get the update regarding the phd admission or your selection procedure, the contact number or captcha. So here when you register yourself, then you once again you will get a confirmation email, and then you have to log in and then apply the phd admission form. So this is the all about how to apply the phd admission, how to fill a form, how to register, and what are the eligibility criteria for the admission of phd in IISER Bhopal. So this is all about. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share the channel. Thanks a lot.